G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to PTT Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you my Canteen pouch, which is a tactical one, and it's made out of a 900D Cordura, which is waterproof. Let's show the bottom first. The front pouch, or part of its pocket, has a weep hole there, and the main has 3 to allow water or any dust or dirt to fall out. And like I said, it's my tactical one, so it will go onto my tactical pack, which has the Molle system on, and this has your Molle system on too. The actual Molle straps are folded over with another reinforcement run down the middle to give it more strength, and that'll go nicely down the Molle system here. The actual press studs are good, strong ones. The stitching on all this is all really good. We've got double stitching at the top for your Molle straps. And like I said, we've got a front pocket here, which I carry my Esbit cubes in for my solid fuel stove, and I have 18 Esbit cubes fitting there nice and easy in a small food sack. I've only got the Canteen in here today, but you can fit your full cup system, which is your cup and lid. And this I carry on my waist belt of my tactical pack. So let me show you installing it. Even with messing around leaning over my pack to show you how I did that, it still went on rather easy. So the Canteen will go in there, and just click shut. The reason I went with this system was to move some of the weight off the backpack and move it to the front, so it'll balance out the weight that I'm carrying. And also because I'm not carrying my Canteen or my cook kit, which I've got in this one, in my pack, it saves that space in my pack, so I'm able to carry a smaller pack. So it doesn't make much difference in the weight you save or the weight you gain, it balances out about even, but it just makes it so much easier for me to carry. It feels a lot more comfortable, and I like it. So if you're new to my channel and you've enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're already a subscriber, I thank you. So until next time, get out there, have some fun, and take care.